Hi, guys. Welcome to Antsoft channel. This is a guide on how to use any video converter to adjust video color. First, select Color Adjustment in the toolbar. Here you can open a folder or drag a file to upload into the program. The first step is to increase the brightness to make the whole picture look clearer. Then increase the saturation of the video. Warm colors can make the food look more delicious. Finally, adjust the contrast to make the food color more prominent. And if you are not satisfied, just click Reset. If you are satisfied with the effect, just click Start. Now let's feel more intuitively the changes that color adjustment brings to the video. That's all. Thanks for watching.